The Indiana Fever made a surprising trade, acquiring Sophie Cunningham from the Phoenix Mercury in exchange for the 8th pick in the 2025 WNBA Draft. While some were confused by the move, it makes sense in the Fever's win-now strategy for 2025 and 2026. A rookie from the 8th pick wouldn't provide immediate help, making the trade a smart decision to strengthen the roster. Cunningham, who is on a bargain $100,000 contract, is seen as a much better prospect than Nelissa Smith, whose salary is similar. This deal gives the Fever the flexibility to potentially sign another impactful free agent in the $175,000 range, something they wouldn't have been able to do if they kept the 8th pick and its associated salary cap hit. The Fever also benefit by retaining players like Grace Berger, who is a perfect fit as a backup point guard. Berger's versatile playing style adds depth to the team, aligning with the Fever's modern approach to the game. While the 8th pick held value during the draft, its worth is much less now, especially considering the uncertain outcomes of draft selections. Looking ahead, the Fever's front office is not done making moves. With Cunningham and Natasha Howard already added, the team still has the flexibility to sign a quality free agent or make another move to strengthen the roster further. The Fever are well positioned to be competitive in the 2025 season, and their off-season moves suggest they could be just one more piece away from contending for a championship. With a revamped roster, the Fever have positioned themselves among the top teams in the league, alongside the Liberty and Lynx. Although the Aces are still a top contender, the Fever's moves make them a strong playoff contender in the coming seasons. Their quiet but strategic reshaping of the team could pay off with a deep playoff run in the near future.